Today we're making Sawdeh, which is livers, and we're going to make it Lebanese style, which means lots of lemon and lots of pomegranate molasses. Start by sauteing 2 cloves of garlic in mild olive oil until they're lightly golden. You do not want to burn the garlic, otherwise you will have that horrible taste at the back of your throat. So you're going to do this on medium to low heat, and once they're done, we're going to actually set them aside, remove them from the pan and set them aside, and we're going to go in with the livers. So here I have some chicken livers. I find that they're less heavy than lamb livers. Ask your butcher to clean them for you. That is their job. It is not unreasonable to ask them to do that for you. Otherwise, clean them yourself of any extra grit. And we're going to fry them on medium-high heat. We don't want to boil them. We want them to get done within 5 minutes. Okay, so they look quite cooked now, and I'm going to go in with 7 spice, salt, some black pepper, and I'm going to keep frying them so that they absorb all those beautiful spices. Then I'm going to add some sumac, or sumac as we say. And after a few minutes, I'm going to go in with the pomegranate molasses, as we call it rumman. I'm going to add a good drizzle, which is about, 2 tablespoons if I had to measure it. Then I'm going to go back in with the garlic, add that garlic I fried earlier, and the lemon juice. The reason why we add the lemon juice at the end is that we don't want it to lose the acidity. If you add it in the beginning and cook it off, you won't have that zingy flavor. Okay, so I wasn't a fan of Sawdeh before, but my husband does it so well. I actually look forward to it these days. I always serve it with extra lemon and a little bowl of pomegranate molasses to dip in with the bread. If you didn't like Sawdeh before, once you've had it this way, you will become a fan. I guarantee it. Plus, it's also really good for you, so make it. You can find the recipe link in the description below and check the blog for more Lebanese home cooking.